Walk on all my prayers right now. You know my name is Kruddy and welcome to another week of the #1 show on your television. That's right, you are watching Pree Dis. Now this week we're coming to you from Palisadoes, right outside of the airport, the Norman Manley International Airport in Jamaica. Now for the next half an hour it's entertainment and lifestyle. So don't move a muscle, Pree Dis starts right now. So my name is Kruddy and we kick off this week's show with a flashback from Footloose 2013. Remember, the next Footloose staging is November 29. Right here on Pree Dis we always have what's hot whenever it's hot. So let's flashback and show you something that hot from a long time. Pree Dis. So that was a flashback 2013 of Footloose. I remember November 29. Have a lot more Footloose. So go check it out. Pree Dis will keep you updated with all that's going on in entertainment and lifestyle. Now, right now, I'll invite Alicia Bogues from CB to come talk about the CB Pan Chicken Finals November 23rd. Mama Crud's birthday, but them are gonna take over downtown as them always do. Sizzler, Kevin Downswell, enough chicken. So Alicia Bogues take over.
We take over downtown Kingston on the waterfront on Sunday, November 23rd, and so much is happening. We've had an overwhelming response at the regional level, so we anticipate even greater, bigger things. I hope that we can accommodate the thousands that will be there. As is the case with each year, we're challenged to improve the experience not only for our patrons but for our competitors. So this year we've signed an agreement with Jamaica National, who's offering business development support to not just the winner but second and third. So there's over $500,000 alone from Jamaica National plus our prizes, which means that the grand champ can potentially go home with over $1 million in cash and prizes. Though there is a stage show, it's just an additional element to the day because really and truly it is about the men and women that come out. So I invite everybody to come and support them because pan chicken is available for only $300. And of course you get your national hard-out bread with that. You can top it with your Grace tomato ketchup and wash it down with your Pepsi and your Red Stripe. Have to plug my awesome sponsors. And for the final in the evening, for the entertainment now, to just take the night down, we have entertainment by Kevin Downswell, we have Conscience, and we also have Sizzler.
That was Alicia Bogues from CB. Please look out for it. Remember, it's November 23rd, downtown, right on the waterfront. Kruddy will be there. The whole Pree Dis crew definitely will always represent because, you know, CB treat us good. But right now, we're going for our first commercial break. When we get back, we have a lot more. So keep it locked. You're watching the best show in entertainment and lifestyle.